Have you ever been on a water slide? Imagine a playground slide, only bigger, wetter, and way more exciting. You see, water slides are the ultimate summer adventure, the heart and soul of every water park. Water slides are not just slides, they're a rush of adrenaline, a splash of fun, and a world of joy. Did you know there are different types of water slides? Let's dive right in. First up, we have the body slides. These are the most basic type of water slides, where all you need is yourself. You lie down, cross your arms and legs, and let gravity do the rest. Easy, right? Next, we have tube slides. These slides add a twist to the fun. You get to sit in a raft, either alone or with a friend, and slide down a winding path filled with water. It's like going on a water-filled roller coaster ride. Now let's talk about speed slides. These are the tallest and fastest of all water slides. If you're a thrill seeker, these slides are for you. They're all about speed and height, giving you a heart-pounding ride down. And lastly, we have funnel slides. These slides give you a zero-gravity experience. You'll slide down into a large funnel, swinging back and forth until you drop out the bottom. Each water slide has its own special way of making you scream with joy. So, what have we learned about water slides? Well, we've discovered that they're not just any old slides. They're a world of adventure, offering unique thrills and a chance to make quite the splash. From the towering heights of the speed slides to the winding twists and turns of the tube slides, each one comes with its own distinct excitement. And let's not forget about those family-friendly multi-lane slides where everyone can join in the fun. Whether you're a daredevil seeking an adrenaline rush or someone who prefers a leisurely glide down a lazy river, there's a water slide out there just for you. Next time you're at a water park, remember, every slide has a story. Which one will be yours?